Next comes the inear type, probably the most popular ones when it comes to small headphones. There are also two subcategories for this type. Sport in-ear, which are designed not to fall out from your ears, and stage in-ear, which offer louder sound output and are greater at sound isolation. Main reasons to pick these are that they are compact, really comfy, well, at least for the most part, and usually have good sound quality and sound isolation. Though on the other hand, they might count as uncomfortable for some, because they might dislike putting them inside their ears. And also you might have to clean them frequently, though this depends on your personal hygiene. You might want to pick these if you enjoy doing workout whilst listening to music, or want to listen to loud music on the bus, but don't want other people to hear it. Here is a diagram of all the mentioned types in case you got lost or misunderstood something.